ready to transform your travel agency from a whirlwind of manual tasks to a streamlined operation using the magic of automation. Today, we're diving into how travel agencies can harness the power of Zapier to automate repetitive tasks, boost efficiency, and ultimately, provide a better experience for your clients. First, log into your Zapier account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up for a free trial. Once you're in, click on the Create Zap button. A Zap begins with a trigger. Let's say you want to automatically add new clients. We email you about a booking to your CRM. Choose Gmail as your trigger app and select New Email as the trigger event. This means every new email received in your Gmail account will kick off the Zap. Next, we need an action. This is what Zapier will do automatically, and the trigger occurs. Search for Google Sheets as your action app. Then, select Create Spreadsheet Row as the action event. This will add a new route to your Google Sheet for each new email. Now, connect your Gmail and Google Sheets accounts to Zapier. Following the on-screen instructions, we'll need to map the data from the email, like the sender's name and email address, to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. This ensures the information is accurately transferred. To take it a step further, you can add another action. For example, after adding the client's information to Google Sheets, you can automatically create a new contact in your CRM, like HubSpot. Search for HubSpot, then select Create Contact. Once you've connected all your apps and mapped the data, give your Zap a descriptive name, like New Booking Lead, to Google Sheets and HubSpot. Finally, turn your Zap on. Now, every time you receive a new email about a booking, Zapier will automatically add the client to your Google Sheet and create a contact in your CRM. That's it. By using Zapier, you can automate these tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on what matters most, providing exceptional service and creating unforgettable travel experiences for your clients.